Hi everybody, this is Mary and Glenn's Adventure. We are getting ready for Valentine's Day. What we're going to have on our menu is steak tips and marinated chicken. So what the recipe calls for is 2 to 3 pounds of steak tips, or you can cut them into strips. 1 bottle of Italian Ken's salad dressing or the zesty Italian. If you use the zesty Italian, it does have peppers and garlic that will complement the soy sauce and the brown sugar. We need 1 cup of soy sauce and 3/4 cup of brown sugar, light or dark. After you make your marinade, you should save some on the side so you'll be able to use it when the meat is on the grill. And you also need a gallon bag to put everything in to marinate it. So this is all of our ingredients, and we will show you when we finish everything. We are back again with our second menu item. It's going to be chicken. This, you should have 2 large chicken breasts, approximately 4 pounds. What you need is a 1/2 cup of olive oil, 5 cloves of garlic minced, 2 lemon juice zest, 2 lemons juiced and zest, 1 tablespoon of thyme chopped, 1 tablespoon of oregano chopped, 2 teaspoons of rosemary chopped, 1 tablespoon of parsley chopped, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now this does go for 6 large chicken breasts, and we have about 1.5 pounds of chicken, so we are just halving this menu, the recipe. So these are all of the ingredients that we do need: salt, rosemary, parsley, oregano, olive oil, garlic, and the lemon, which we are going to juice and zest. Now it does call for fresh, but we are just using the dried herbs, so I'm going to have to find out what the measurements would be from dried to fresh. So after we get everything together, we will put them in the bag. You do need a gallon bag, and then they will marinate overnight. Okay everybody, so we'll see you at the grill. Glen cut everything up. He made them into steak tips, and here's the sauce, the marinade. I did put some extra on the side, so when we are grilling the meat, we can marinate it and have a little bit more infused in the meat. Okay, so we will put this in the freezer or the refrigerator. Hi everybody, happy Valentine's Day. Are you sharing it with somebody or just celebrating you? Well, come along and we'll all spend the day together. I just want to show you what we're going to be doing today. Yesterday we did marinate steak tips and chicken. And I'd like to tell you the little history behind how we got the grill. Last year for Christmas I got this for us, which is a charcoal grill. And this was the grill that I wanted. Originally the Cuisinart. So I had that, and then I saw the charcoal grill, and I couldn't leave it at the store because it was so cheap. And it came with this stand here. So a year later, we finally unboxed this, and here we are. So we're going to be using the grill. So what we've been doing this week, this cart just came, and Glen put it together today. The other day we just bought the propane. So we are all set and ready. So I hope you come along and enjoy the night with us. And this cart here, the original one, was a little bit too small for Cuisinart, so it wasn't really safe. So we thought, let's get another cart. So we do live in Florida, and when Glen went to get the propane, 3 different places were sold out. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be showing you everything marinated, and then we'll eat. Okay. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. We are so excited that you are here. Now, we did marinate the chicken and the steak tips last night, and I just took them out of the refrigerator. So I'm going to put this down. I'm going to show it to you. Okay. Now, here are the steak tips. When you do marinate it, it is going to be a little bit sticky. So with the steak tips, what they do recommend is that after you marinate them, I'm just going to drain this out, that you do pat them dry with the paper towel, so to prevent any flare-ups. And yesterday, when I did marinate them, I did leave a little extra marinade off to the side so we can put it on the meat when it's cooked. Okay. And I am going to drain this also, because we did use spices and lemon juice, which there are lemon seeds in here. Put it on the grill. We're also going to be enjoying some stuffing, corn on the cob that we're going to put on the grill also. Couscous, a salad, and then of course the steak chips and the chicken. Okay, we will see you outside. And we're out at the grill. Here are the steak tips. They've all been put on the paper towel to get all the excess off. Here is the chicken. When you do cut raw meat, it is a good idea to use a separate cutting board. And also, when you're cooking on the grill, use a thermometer to make sure that you have the right temp. Chicken is 165. Beef is 155.
No, it's not. You cook beef to 155, you got leather.
Well, that's, it all depends on how you like to cook,
Yeah.
but that's,
Start at 120, 125. Start there, because you can always cook it more, but you can't cook it less.
When Glen was cutting the steak tips last night, I was telling him, be careful, because this is our first time actually using this grill, and I didn't know if they would fall through the cracks, but looks like they're all right.
It will shrink when they cook.
Oh, it smells good. These two are a must-try recipe. I will check back in a moment. So here's a little progress. I have sauce. Did you want to put it on it?
Is it separate?
Yeah.
I'm going after the fact. More than done.
Look at that. Nice job. And we have just finished off the bread. Just like that. Here's the chicken. Steak tips. Corn on the cob. Couscous. Stuffing. And the marinade. So I'm just going to say cheers. Thank you for joining us. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, I forgot to show you my beautiful hair.